Do you want to see how I got instant growth? Well, let's talk about this wig. This wig is from the ULAHair. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out their half wig. This particular wig is their 3-in-1 glueless half wig, kinky curly 18-inch. So let's unbox it. So this is how it came in this package, and this is all that came in there. Of course, the main ingredient, the hair, the wig. And I got these other items in there, the comb and stuff like that. So here is a little video of all the things that I got in the package. Now let's talk more about the hair. Let's take it out of the package. This is how it came, and you can see the kind of curls that it has. Of course, they say that this wig is their kinky curly hair, and as I mentioned earlier, it is 18-inch. So let's take a closer look. So it comes with 3 clips around the hairline, and you can see that it is breathable. So your head is not going to be hot, you're going to be cool because of these breathable head cap that this wig comes with. Of course, at the back we have that adjustable strap that we will use to pull up the strap. I did go ahead and wash this wig because personally I did not like how it smelled. Like, tell me why it smells. Anyhow, I washed the wig and this is how it's looking. You can see the curls are looking nice and juicy. Here's a closer look at the curl pattern. So if you're on the market looking for a wig and you like these curls, then definitely. Now let's go ahead and style this wig. Now this wig can be worn in 3 different ways. You can wear it in a half wig kind of style. You can style it in ponytails, or you can style it in a half up, half down style. So this wig is quite versatile. Of course, if you're watching my video, of course, let me tell you guys, there is a discount for you, and we'll be talking about that as we go along in the video. So stay tuned. So there you have it. I put in the first clip, and then of course, as mentioned earlier, it comes with 3 clips, so 1 at the top there and 2 at the sides. At the back, there's no clip. It just has a strap at the back that you can use to tighten the wig onto your head. So here I'm showing you how to adjust the wig at the back. Of course, I didn't put in any cornrows in my hair. I just went ahead with my hair as is, as you are seeing there. Once I pull the string to a comfortable tightness that I can manage, then I went ahead and just tucked the excess string underneath the wig, and that was good. But just to secure it, I went ahead and used a bobby pin to secure it. So you know, we don't want to see that string at the back. Oh no. So we pin that up. And here is how the hair is actually looking once it's pinned up. The style is not done, so keep watching and let's see how I complete this updo hairstyle. Of course, I'm taking some from the back, out of the wig at the back. But if you look at the wig, you can see that there's no headband on this wig. So this wig does not come with a headband, and there's no need to glue it. So now I'm going to add it to my little ponytail there. You can see that my ponytail is short. Now, if you have been watching my video for a while, and if you watched my last video, you would see that I have cut off all my relaxed ends, and now I am 100% natural. So I am now sporting my natural hair. So this wig is so perfect, and it matches with my particular hair texture so well. So this is how I do the top section. Now I'm adding water. Now what I can say about this wig is that it feels very soft to the touch. Now I'm adding in some more product to the hair just to help the curls to pop, because you want the curls to look defined and nice and juicy. And then once we are done with that, I go ahead and I put in some foam wrap along. So I'm just adding that there, and then I'm just opening up the hair. Then I use an elastic band to secure it just like that. And then I'm going to pull the hair around just to cover up that section at the back where I pull the hair from. You want to cover those sections so that the wefts are not showing. So as you watch, you're going to see me doing that. So keep on watching. Now I'm adding water to the wig to define the curls some more. And this spray bottle is nice. If you don't have a spray bottle like this, I suggest you get one. This uses pressure, so when you pump it, the water will continue to spray without you even pumping it. And I use this particular moisturizer on the wig, and it works beautifully in helping the curls to be more defined. And I can tell you that the hair is feeling really soft to the touch. And there you have it. I'm putting some more mousse in my hair. And you hear me say in my hair, like this thing is coming out of my scalp, but it's not coming out of my scalp. But even though there's no clips at the back, it really fits snug onto my head. Don't feel like it's gonna fall off or anything like that. But I can tell you that the hair feels really soft. Now let's talk about shedding, because I know that you're going to be asking, does this hair shed? Now when I washed the hair, it did shed a bit, but now that I'm combing out the hair, brushing it, no, it's not shedding a lot. The shedding is quite minimal. And as you saw earlier, you can go ahead and even define the hair curls even more after. Look how when I brush that hair, look at it. You can see how the curls are so defined. And that is how much hair came out of my hair. Now I'm going in with a little extreme gel on my edges to get those edges slick, as you can see. So let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. This is how the back section is looking. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section so far. Don't skip, I have 3 more styles to go through. So style number 1. Alright, getting ready for style number 2. And this is another updo, half updo hairstyle where I'm going to be putting the wig at the back. But this time there will be no partings at the front. So I'm going to comb the front up in one and catch it up. Okay. So keep watching. I am doing these styles, so if you decide to buy this wig, you know exactly how to style your hair. And I leave a lot of details in this video as to how to style your hair. So if you buy this wig, you can always come back to this video to know how to style your hair if you decide to purchase this wig. So as you can see, I did add some water to my natural hair. And the reason why I had the water to my natural hair is because whenever I had water to my hair is extremely soft. So to maintain that softness, I had water to my hair. And then of course, I'm using gel to slick my edges and the rest of my hair up in that half updo ponytail style, if you want to call it that. And then the hair is going to be placed at the back. So keep on watching. If you're interested in purchasing this particular wig that I'm wearing in this video, all the details will be in the description link below, and the exact link to this 3-in-1 glueless half wig kinky curly 18-inch wig will be in the description link below. So all that you need to know is going to be in the description link, so you just click it and shop. Now when you purchase this wig, on your checkout you want to use the code TV10. That will also be in the description link below. So when you're purchasing it, you'll get a 10% discount. So unlike the first style I did where I catch some of the hair from the wig with the ponytail, in this instance I catch the front section of my hair by itself and then add the hair to the ponytail or to the half section that was catch up, and I use an elastic band as you saw just to get it nice and fluffy, because I don't want my hair to show except for what is showing, but I don't want those sections to be showing, so that everything can flow into one. And here I'm giving you a closer look to use the same hair that you put at the front over the front section to cover the back section so that the weft is not showing. And this is style number 2. Now let's get my hair ready for style number 3. And style number 3 is going to be a ponytail. So I'll be catching my hair up in one. And then we're going to use the same half wig, 3-in-1 glueless half wig, kinky curly 18-inch wig to make a ponytail. So let's do that. So this is how I catch my hair up in one, because if I try to catch it any other way, ain't no way this short hair is gonna be in a ponytail. So that's how I do it. So once it's up in a ponytail, of course, I'm gonna slick the sides down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the wig. Now I had the wig, and there you see that I'm using the clips. So I clip that one in the center at the front, and then I pull the side clips all the way to the back, and I'll do the same thing. And then once I've done that, then I'm going to get the string at the back, the adjustable string at the back, and I'm going to pull it as tight as I'm comfortable with. And then of course I'm going to tuck the string and the excess stringy out of the way. So I'm using a bobby pin to help to secure it, because listen, we don't want that string to be showing. So let's do that. So you could go ahead and wear your hair just like this as it is, and you can see it's not falling off, it's staying. But I'm going to go ahead and pin up my ponytail to show you that this wig is very versatile. So this is more of a messy bun, so you can make your bun as you desire. But that's just how I make my little messy bun. So you can let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So far, let me know if you're liking the wig, or you're going to purchase the wig and all the jazz. And this is style number 4, and I'm going to be wearing this half wig as a half wig. So it's glueless wig, so we're going to wear it as a half wig. So I just part out just the hair on my hairline there, and then I'm going to be wearing it all the way down, and then blending my natural hair with this wig. And guys, let me tell you, this is the bomb. This wig is very versatile, I can tell you that. And if you have more length than mine, and perhaps similar texture here like mine, then your hair and the wig is going to blend in smoothly. So if you look closely, you can see how well it's blended in. So if you're on the market searching for a hair just to give yourself a break from your natural hair or your relaxed hair, then trust me, this wig is for you, and it is quite fabulous. Don't forget to use the code TV10 to get 10% off your purchase. Bye!